guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Princess by birth. It's a shame. It's a disgrace. What I write for you? I call her princess by death. You are a shame and disgrace to do telephone love, telephone sex with a wee boy. You are a disgrace to women. A big disgrace to women. A very fucking big disgrace to women without dignity. You know, you hear what Richard tell the world. Say, you know, say you not get document. Don't say, you not get document. You know, for even talk to you. You were there, gallivanting, become a EOA for the great social media show. So social media president. Without document, Richard can't tell us, say now, he don't first date you. You are a disgrace to women. A big disgrace, because me personally, I will too beat you. I will wash you. Even though say the same cannot talk for women matter, people like you, we must talk about Una. We must talk about Una, whether you like it or not. You are a disgrace, a sin to women. A disgrace. Is that what you know they portray to the world? Say Edo women are great. Edo women are great on the surface, behind the scene. They go behind, they do nonsense. Behind the scene, you're creating nuisance. Look as you big rich, as you fat rich. You don't see anybody when you go withstand your category. You don't get category, you don't get level, say. What you do? You went to phone to go meet a wee boy. A wee boy go see your nakedness. You are a disgrace, a big disgrace, fucking disgrace. Princess by death. You are a disgrace to the world. You are a disgrace to Edo women. You are a disgrace from the pit of hell. A wee boy see your nakedness. You feel can't talk. Look yourself, you be woman. You be evil woman. You don't be woman. A wee boy see your nakedness for phone sex. That's what they tell us. We'll not go there. Now they come tell us. We are coming out to beat you. Every boy see your nakedness, you are a big disgrace to the world. A big disgrace to Edo women. A big disgrace to any foundation you get. A big disgrace to anybody will be your collaborators, your co-workers, your cohort, your co-authors, your collaborators. Yeah. Are you there? I have a distraction, so I did laugh, but that's a great way. You are a great disgrace, seriously. You are a big disgrace. Princess by death, you are a big disgrace to the world. You are a big disgrace, and me and Omofuma the talker, you be disgrace. So you have to do the lick like that. You not see what you give. When they first talk, say you marry, your husband can't cash you with another man. You don't say any man can't give. Now we boy, you can't give your toto for phone. We are coming. We are coming. From Rita, start from there. From Rita, take it. Let's beat this Lagos out of the social media space. Ewi boy, see nakedness. Ewi boy, see your nakedness. As you just big rich, fat rich, you get laba breast, laba body. Ewi boy, you are a nobody. You are inconsequential. You are a stupid woman. Seriously. If they talk say men will see your body, I talk to men with a category. Men will get dignity. Men will don't put their two legs on the ground, gidigba. Not be a wee boy. You are a fucking disgrace. A shit. You be shit. You be more than pit toilet. More than pit toilet today. You are more than pit toilet. Princess by death. Princess by death. You are princess by death. You not get princess by birth. Seriously, and Omofuma can't cast your name in the hall of shame. in the hall of shame. Your name is preceded by death, not preceded by birth. Preceded by death, you are a shame and disgrace to women. And people like you not get any iota of any ability to come on air, call whole phone. Even phone is cheap. You don't have anything to say. Keep quiet. You don't have anything to say. Seriously. Now come, call the four people. You don't get anything to say. People who they respect. People who me personally go respect that today. Even out of everything, I will say Rita. I see say this is not fast, this is not reality, these are not fake. I will respect Rita. I will respect Rita. No matter how I cast aspersion on her head, I will see what she did in these few days. She need to be respected. She go Bini, go show her house. Not be say fake, not be fake hotel. One na mama Monica Lobo go do fake hotel. We can carry Corey, couple for Lolo head. Say yes, God Lolo say, we could not do fake. God carry say yes, you want do fake. Now so now we left fake go. Rita go Bini, go show her house. She stay at her house. She came back successfully to Germany. These are truth I want to see. These are the truth I want to see. Rita has been able to prove say all of them be fake. Makuna go be Monica, I challenge you, go show your house. Monica, without not much do about anything. Monica, show your house. Do like Rita do. Show if you can beat Rita. Show the big house where Rita built. Make you sure. Make you go talk to your neighbor. Say, this time my house, so Monica, go do it. GPC gang, I challenge all of you now. I and Omofuma come to challenge you now. If I can do what Rita do, Makuna come tell me say I be useless man. I will agree. But Makuna go first do that one. I give you until now. GPC, go and do what Rita do. Monica, you not get house. You not fit do like Rita. The fact is obvious. And the social media godmother don't tell us say she not build house before. So that one, I know the good day. You know, he don't tell us from the one say she not build house, so not be it's not be what she freak about. But Monica was on air telling people not to build house, not to go back home to do nothing. But at the end of the day, Monica go to show us a lobo floor, interlock that she show us. Go show us one burner with a stew where they cook for one burner. Monica, as you talk say you go rich. Now one burner of a stew, one gas burner. You they show the world say you be great person. One burner with a stew where you just do. You say you show us say that lobo you write for the ground. Lobo now you write for the ground. Is that why you want to bamboozle the people? And you think they will be so stupid? If they're stupid, me are not stupid, and they tell you back what you do. Go and do what Rita do. Anything short of that, you are very stupid. Rita is greater than you. All this of your life, Rita is seriously much more greater than you. There's nothing you can do about it. Rita, you know, they say you marry Kokobiri. I don't see anybody Kokobiri. We are all Africans. If you both tell us say you will come to do us racist now, we're going to cry. Those two people they cry. Then they call within us black. They see Kokobiri, they see who know. That's a very wrong statement for now. Mindset, una stupid mindset. Una stupid mindset, they wrong. As I talk, una stupid, it's still they wrong. In between. Una mindset, they wrong. In the world, Western world, they fight racism. In between us, would they call ourselves Kokobiri? Would they call ourselves Kokobiri? What do you want? If the white man they beat you, say you be nobody. They may they beat you. If you call your fellow black man Kokobiri, let the white man call you a dog, a monkey. Then you go take her, you go chop her. You chop it down your fucking goddamn throat and accept it. If you can call your fellow black man Kokobiri, if the white man call you monkey, just accept her. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't ever come out and cry that you facing racism. If you can call your fellow black man, say because a fellow black man that is doing well, he married us based on different nations in Africa, you can come out and say this one is Kokobiri. Very stupid, idiotic set of people that are taken from their anus. Who says so? And Omofuma. Now me talker. Nobody can be like me. I'm very blunt. Seriously very blunt. How can an idiot just wake up. Go talk say Zimbabwe, Kenya, Namibia, Ghana man, Senegalese, a Senegal man, he's a Kokobiri. What makes you superior? What makes you superior between the black? When you they call you monkey now, you call they cry racism. In between you get racism inside yourself as black. Separating blacks, already. You are crying, or you both they call you so you be less. No, mindset, no get head. You're so stupid. Very stupid. No go school. We will go school, we see everything, we thought, they talk, they think on the broader level. It just come social media, Monica, Lolo. I watch all of them. I wear the odds. I say Lolo better pass Monica. I wear the odds. I was against both of them. But when I wear the odds, I say Lolo better pass Monica. Monica is evil. Monica is manipulative. Monica is a political lawyer. Monica is narcissist. According to Mama Galaris. Narcissist or whatever. Monica is just trying to destroy you people. Destroy you people, misleading you people, idiots. From the pit of hell, misleading you. You think you're going to essay? Obviously, you all sick. You all of you go sink. All of you that come to wanna go combine, come form one fake account. Say una one agree to this disorder. It's a disorder in the community of those cyberspace. It's a very big disorder. Monica is a big disease. Monica no want make nobody come meet her. If they feel that she be the greatest, but she's an agbero. Monica na agbero. Monica na tog. You know what it's called, tog. Monica na tog for social media. But if they feel that gragra, the people they beat her, they use wisdom to beat her. Monica is a tog. It's a big tog. Put your mascara there. How you doing?
Sam.
Yeah, buddy. How about you? Yeah.
This is my so.
Ooh, Samuel.
Uh-huh.
Samuel.
For this guy.
Sorry.
Sorry, lad.
You know, I open the car. Open the door. I don't even listen to you. So I'm like, clarity. Yeah, I just did like you do the chant before, but me I offer. How you doing, Samuel? It's been a long time.
Live video stuff.
Yeah, you know, say me I've been done that for this stuff now.
You get somebody who wants it for.
Ready, Samuel. Me I have this thing. I think I've been able to pass my message across to my people. That I've gotten my nigga in the house, my great friend.
I like to show for all those things.